Okay, let's go, Chocomucho. Huling laban na nila to. Wala na tong bearing. Anyway, bawi na lang tayo next conference. All Filipino conference tayo babawi with Sisi, Rondina. Nakakatuwa lang no kasi at least kahit last na game na to, binigyan tayo ng masayang laban ng Chocomocho na ipanalo nila ang game na to against Akari 3-1. Magaling yung naging lineup dito ni coach, nakakatuwa naman. Wala nga dito si Ponce. Si General lang kanilang ano dito eh, libero. And this one is Akari. Thank you so much for the nice fights, for the nice game last night. Nag-enjoy kami. Super excitement. Okay, let's go. Thank you for watching.